Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a beautiful Jeep. It's a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport 3.6 liter JK model 4x4. Beautiful, beautiful dark blue. It's lifted. It's got a nice little lift kit on it, rough country lift kit. We're running a set of TIS off-road wheels. These are a 20 by 12, I want to say 20 by 12 TIS off-road wheel. And wrapped around them is a nice, beautiful set of Aturo Blade mud terrains. These are a 33 1350 20-inch tire, and they match up really, really nice with the rim. They're nice and flush. They fill all of that 12 inches completely plus more. You got the nice accent, like beautiful blade looking style accents on the tire. It's aggressive, it really is, and it accents the Jeep perfectly. It looks really nice. Rough country shocks, all four corners. Premium shock absorbers. You got a rough country dual steering stabilizer kit up front right here, with two rough country shocks. LED headlights with the halo inside. Accented grille. Hard top T-tops. You can see up top right here. Boom, can't really reach that high. I'm about 6 foot tall, and this is every bit of 6 foot plus, probably six, maybe 6.5 feet. So it's a tough looking Jeep. Here's your rear, the rear of it, all the bars and everything, all the shocks and the goodies and all that jazz. It's got a rough country dual exhaust system on it with the rough country exhaust tips. It's got a third brake light, American flag third brake light. Hell yeah. Open up the back. Beautiful, beautiful Jeep floor mat. All the goodies. It's got rough country neoprene style seat covers on them. You can get these wet. You can throw them in the washing machine, and they are nice to have. Rough country floor mats. You got oh shit handles on all four corners. 550 paracord. Boom, 550 paracord. Boom, 550 paracord. You got the nice little locking system right there. Rough country seat covers. These are really rugged. They really are. You can do anything to these suckers and they'll hold up. Throw them in the washing machine, right back to new. I'm gonna make a lot of people mad, so check this out. Here we go. Rough country floor mats. Ready? So you guys are probably like, oh man, brand new double din CD player. Well, check this out. You ready? Oh, for all you freaks out there who keep the plastic on them. Ready? Oh, is it making everybody mad? Oh man, I'm peeling it off. The new double din cover right there, or the new plastic wrap. People hate when you take that off, but I do, because sometimes when there's like build up in the corners or whatnot of, you know, all debris and it gets dusty, it actually scratches the glass. So if you have a corner starting to peel up or something, take it off. It's gonna peel it. Anywho, the Jeep has 174,696 maintained miles on this. Power doors, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, all the goodies. And I'll show you real quick under the hood, and then we'll end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So share it. It is for sale. So here we go. Check it out. Nice little doubled in action right here. Push the home button. Starting media. Starring. Thought I said starring for a second. Come on, any minute now. It's probably mad at me because it took off. There we go. So all your options right here, your Bluetooth, your USB, your phone, your mirror, your whatever you want to call it, it's all there. The date's wrong, the time's wrong, but set it, who cares? All your controls are on the steering wheel. Nice little green Jeep accent to accent the shocks. You got some nice, the girl who owned it before had some nice little lights all underneath. I left those in there because it's pretty cool. You can plug it in and hit the button right there. And the cord is right under the seat right here to plug it into the cigarette lighter. So it's nice little accents. You can choose your color, I believe, and it lights up the whole floor. It looks really cool. A lot of storage in here. Jeeps have one storage here and one storage there. There's T-tops right there. You can bolt them down. This comes off to lock your T-tops in place. So yeah, it's a really clean Jeep, really is. There's the door jambs and everything looks clean. Here's the VIN number, the VIN plate. So it's nice. Full turn right, by the way, full turn left, no rubbing. Let's check out the power plant. These hoods are very heavy, so I'm gonna try to do my best and hold it up. 3.6 liter, nice Jeep, interstate battery. Other than that, it's factory. Fluids are good. Inspected at the local, we got this inspected at the local Safford Jeep, Dodge, Fiat, and RV dealership right down the road. They did all the recalls and service and inspection. So hope you guys like it. It is for sale. Give us a call, 540-898-3025, or you can visit superiorwholesale.org. You can also call or text me if you're busy at work and you can't make a phone call. You're welcome to text me on my work cell phone during work hours or whenever I'm available. You can surely shoot me a text, 540-848-2974. That's 540-848-2974. Hope you guys are doing great. Share this video. Somebody looking for a Jeep, copy and paste the link right here and send it to somebody on Facebook. And much appreciation, guys. Hope you're doing great. See you.